Ferrari Purosangue Venuum number 3. Here we have Azuura plata, whatever you call it. It's crazy blue color. Check this thing out. This is probably the wildest one we've done so far. This is a bright color. It's kind of like a sky blue. Really, really nice colorway. If you guys will recall, we did another one in this color with just RDB wheels in silver and Novitec suspension exhaust. This thing though has the full Venuum package on it and all forged carbon fiber throughout. The other kits, again, were all matte. This one is the shiny version. Obviously, you replaced the whole entire hood, which is partly the fenders. You have the pieces on the front. A lot of pieces go on it, and you have to paint the entire vehicle to make sure it matches. So this entire car was painted here at RDB. The full front end looks insane. You got 2-piece lip in the front, forged carbon fiber. You have this forged carbon fiber vent here. You have obviously the whole hood with the forged carbon fiber exposed in the middle. We have the wide body pieces on the sides here. We have the forged carbon to match on the flares. Added piece right here. This goes to continuation of the hood slash fender, as you can see. One issue we always have with these things is some of these Purosangues have the shield. The first one we did actually had the painted shield, but the other two had the actual shield on it, and we actually have to delete it because it would be right between the vent and here. We fix it, we paint it, and then we transfer it to here. So that's full forged carbon. Mirror caps, and then you have the big old rocker panels, which are actually inside and out. Forged carbon. So even under there, forged carbon. A lot going on there. As you guys know, this door, this is actually a newly designed door right here. This vent right here is actually all made and molded with the Venuum piece. So this is all made, and then this is molded as well. This is all one piece. And then obviously this crazy looking piece right here. Continue, and we have forged carbon. Obviously this beautiful design here, just kind of like the Novitec, where when you open the door, you have to make sure this doesn't hit, so it has a design to it. And it's beautifully done, looks really, really nice. MV forged wheels, 23, 24 inch setup that we love. Novitec springs, so it's also been lowered. And then you have more pieces on the back. You have this crazy piece over here that really makes it look more wide. You have the wild diffuser in the back. This car still needs a heavy detail. We just finished it. Roof spoiler with obviously the vent that goes through there. The trunk spoiler, which is very difficult to install because you have to get inside the trunk, which is like triple layered, and you got to screw it in, so it's very, very strong. Black Ferrari emblems throughout, Venuum logo on the bottom. This thing is crazy. And let me show you guys the interior, because the Purosangues have beautiful interiors. It's crazy because it has a white interior. So blue, forged carbon fiber, and white. What a crazy spec this thing is, honestly. Beautiful, gorgeous car. It's gonna go on sale at Eurocar, commissioned by TBTFW, our good friends. But yeah, number 3 is done. We have number 4 finishing up. We have number 5 on the rack, and we have number 6 coming. I don't even know what month we're in. We're in May, 5th month, and we've already done 3, and we have 3 more to do. So really crazy. Nowhere else on the planet does builds like this fast. Very proud of my team and how good they are at this. And mind you, all the time frame included epoxying all the forged carbon many times. It's not like we got the kit, we shot clear coat, we put it on. It went through a process of epoxy, more sanding, more clear coat, so it looks super shiny, super nice. And yeah, there you have it. This is a crazy looking Ferrari Purosangue.
Did they take the G-Wagon, the old one?
That part is gone. Nope.
It's getting tougher, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. Red SF90. You guys are familiar with this car. Beautiful car. I love red on SF90s. Any Ferrari on red looks really good. Yeah. I think we're putting this thing back to stock somewhat, so that's what it's here for. Maybe the client has something else in mind after this one. Let's see. We have to drive it, no?
Did you guys start it?
Check the year. 2022.
More. Okay. You don't know how to drive.
Yeah, you don't know how to drive.
Better than breaking parts.
All right, folks, straight from the dealership, brand new Mercedes-Benz G63 right here, China blue. As you guys know, one of the best colors for the G-Wagon. And this is getting fully transformed even before the customer takes possession of this car. It is getting a full Barabas kit, authentic only at RDB. We don't do any fake stuff, it's all authentic. And this is actually gonna be a B800. So it's not gonna be a regular, it's not gonna be a 700, it's gonna be an 800, meaning we are gonna remove the turbos. We're gonna send them to Brabus, Germany. They're gonna do their thing on it. They're gonna make them more breathable. They're gonna open up the turbos, make the bores bigger, all that stuff. I don't know exactly what they do, but they're gonna make this thing 800 horsepower. And they're gonna obviously send us a tune as well. So full 800 horsepower Brabus, getting the full wide start kit, all the carbon fiber goodies, the wheels, all that stuff. And it's gonna be fully transformed. It's gonna look like a different car after it's done. Stock is cool, but it is boring to us guys that have taste and want something different, and that's what this bad boy's gonna get. This is about a $250,000 job right here with the full Brabus and the 800 package. 800 packages are limited only through authorized dealers only. So hit us up if you want to build your crazy Brabus, 700, 800, whatever.
Que no me grabes.
What are you working on?
Las partes de este
Lambo.
Lamborghini. No es Lamborghini. Oh, Ferrari. Pura sangre. Yo miro Ferraris, Lamborghinis, no sé cuál es cuál.
Which one's your favorite?
No entendiste lo que te dije, ¿verdad?
You don't know the difference? You don't care?
Oh, yo sí entendiste.
I understand.
Sí, yo no, un carro, pienso que es un Toyota. Parece un, este parece un RAV4.
What is this? Oh,
Put the parts back to this. This is el rocker. Sangue.
sandwich?
Sandwich, ya, no sé cómo tú le dices.
A lot of parts.
La cara, 40 partes.
40?
Sí, güey.
Ah, I got it.
Tú
Nice.
sabes.
40 parts?
No entiendo cómo tú no sabes si tú eres mexicano.
I know a little bit, but not too much.
Me teach me.
You teach me Spanish, I teach you English.
Yeah.